After installing Visual Studio Code, this is the interface of VS Code. Let's explore and understand the user interface. In the left side, we see some tabs like File Explorer to open files and folders, Search tab to search within open files, Source Code Management to manage source code files, Launch and Debug section to run and debug source code files, Manage Extensions tab to download and install extensions like Python. Here we have a command prompt to run specific commands. We also get a list of available commands to select and run. Here we can see any warnings or error messages and any notifications in the bottom area. Now in the File Explorer, we can open files and folders. When we open folders, they become workspace we work in. VS Code is a source code editor, and to develop programs, it needs the language support in form of IntelliSense, code formatting and debugging. This support comes from extensions of various languages available in Extension Manager. So in the Extension tab, we can download and install extensions of the language which we want to work with. Since we will be working with Python, we need to install Python extension and also download latest IronPython interpreter or IronPython website. Now let's open a script file having a simple Python script to understand how we can work with Python script files. In the script file, there are few simple Python commands. Before we run the script, we make sure that IronPython interpreter is selected. If it is not selected, click here to open the command editor to specify the path of IronPython interpreter. We can see a list of available Python interpreters to select. For our course, we have to select IronPython interpreter from the list. In the editor, typing Python code is very easy and simple. We get auto code completion and good IntelliSense support. We can insert code snippets for standard statements and function definitions. To run the script file, we right-click in the editor and select Run Python File in Terminal command. Terminal is a console application integrated with VS Code to run the Python script files. In the terminal window, we get the output of the script, and it also displays any errors in the script. Here we see that script output is printed. We can also see that terminal has used IronPython interpreter as the compiler and passed script file name as argument. The output from the interpreter is displayed in the terminal window. So for our next module, we'll be using VS Code to run the Python scripts.